I just got this for my birthday. Look at this. Jarvis, close the mask. I got this from Amazon. I know you guys don't know what it is. Have you ever seen a plane crash and it can't get its like stuff down? So
is it the slide?
It's the slide.
They like go like,
Yeah.
oh, it's gonna be huge.
We don't know that.
This shit is older than me. It's 25 years old. It was made in '95.
Alright, whenever you guys are ready, Zane, go ahead and pull it. Alright, Heath, you ready?
I'm just saying goodbye to my parents.
Imagine just calmly like riding a bike past him. Hey, you guys know what the nearest Starbucks is? I fly with my bike, turn into ET.
Here we go in 3, 2, fire. Oh shit! Oh my god! It's working! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I wish I saw what it looked like. I was in my guest house. Hey, you fucking ran me over, bro. He fucking ran me over. He goes, everyone for themselves.
It was the sound that it made. I was like, whoa, we gotta fucking run.
Like, imagine that hitting you at
Bro, dude, feel this shit. It's like a brick.
Oh, what the That would fucking hurt. Whoa.
Oh my god! Jonah just came up with a new nickname for Natalie. Jonah, what is it?
I can't say it.
Why?
I'm not gonna say it. I can't do that.
I love how he's so vicious off camera.
Yeah, you say it off camera all the time, and then when the camera's on, you get all nice guy.
I know, I'm pretty nice.
He calls her Fatalina.
No one's supposed to know about that.
Oh, come on, Scott! Go, Scott! Go!
Oh, what the fuck?
That looks like when your girlfriend thinks you're cheating on her, but what you're really doing with the boys. He's probably cheating on me.
He's cheating on you with the boys.
No, Ilya, not in the fucking living room! Oh, no. Oh, shit! Oh my god! Ilya! Oh my god! Your bike's ruined! Bro, your bike is fucking gone! Bro, I wasn't filming.
Shut that ass.
Nah, I was filming. Guys, look, this is Jonah, and we found his twin in Vegas. Look at the shit. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? They are the same person! Wait, don't move. Don't smile. No! Oh my god. Alright guys, Noah has been training for this moment his entire life.
My whole life.
Are you ready?
That's all it's added up to.
Let's do it. Come on, Noah. That's it. Oh my god! Did that go in?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's about 3:30 in the morning. I'm here with Jay. Jay helps us out with like really terrifying animals.
Real ones. Today we have a not so real one, but it's so fucking early that you won't be able to talk. It's me, David. It's me. It's a girl. Oh, fuck, bro. It's a girl.
You get the dog?
I got the dog. Oh, shit. It's just Taylor in a costume. Oh, my God.
That was good.
Taylor, you did a good job.
Thanks. He really went for it. He threw me on that bed. Look at this picture.
Oh, shit, Jason. You were dreaming about this.
You were living the dream!
It's like a baby building. Look how ginormous this is.
Jonah getting his Postmates like this.
He looks like literally Zach Galifianakis.
No,
Oh my god, he does look like Zach Galifianakis.